Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is AstraeaKeva, or you can just call me Ayo. Long time no see. I haven't had any voiceovers. Actually, I haven't even uploaded a lot of videos for a very long time, but I just decided to have a voiceover for this video. And this is an artwork I've been working on, doing my art rut for a long time. I was like not feeling doing any artwork at all, but recently there's been a spark and I'm just drawing and drawing and drawing. So that's sort of what I'm doing now. I draw a lot actually. Recently I've maybe drawn about 6 or 7 portraits or illustrations, but I'm too lazy to edit anything. I'm quite bored about editing. I don't have any time for that, or I don't make any time. But anyway, I would like to upload more videos and have more voiceovers. I don't know what to talk about. I'm not quite sure about what to talk about. But yeah, I decided to draw this picture and color it. Drawing it was quite long, but coloring it took me about an hour, so it wasn't that crazy. I didn't really know what colors to go for, so I just kept my black lines and my details, and I didn't render it too long. But I'm quite happy with the product that came about. But anyway, I wanted to ask about what I can talk, what voiceovers I can talk about, because I used to do this a long time ago. I used to have voiceovers over my videos, but now I'm like, oh, I don't know what to talk about. I mean, now I do live in Japan, so should I talk about my life in Japan, or or should I talk about what interests me or something? So, whatever ideas you might have, please let me know. Not that I have a lot of subscribers or anything like that. But anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. I am going to try my best to edit more videos and upload as consistently as I can. I'm not promising anything. I'm not good at promising and keeping my promises, but I'll try my best. So I hope you guys all have a great day. Thank you, and bye-bye.